Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're listening to this and at whatever time you're doing this. So this is another tutorial on how to open a Facebook page. So I've gotten several requests on, please, I want to open a Facebook page and I don't know how. Yes, I'm going to be using the web version of Facebook. You can use your Facebook app to do the same thing, okay? So I'm going to log into my Facebook account. And I'm going to show you what next to do. My account is actually logged in already. Yes, so these are our Facebook accounts. Yes, you can decide to follow us on our Facebook page as well. Giant Graphics School is our Facebook page name. All right, so it's still loading though, but it's almost done. Now, I'm going to click on these three dots here. These three dots here to create my Facebook page. Okay, so once you click it, it will bring several options. Yes, and I'm going to click on page. Okay, this I'm going to click on page or pages to create a page. Yes, so now once I click on page, you see I have the option of, this is actually my own personal page that I created. So you just click on this create page. You can discover page. Discover page means maybe you're looking for a particular page. Then invitations, pages that invited you, and these are the pages you've liked in time past. Okay, so I'm just going to click on create. Now, once you click on create page, now it's actually loading. It will fill. Uh, just click on get started. Okay, where you fill your Facebook username, or rather your Facebook page name. Yes, get started. So I'm just going to click on that. And yes, it says I should give my page a title. And I'm also going to add an email. So let me just click on start typing and let me say Giant Graphics School 2. Okay, so it will bring up my board. Sorry, it's taking a little time. Okay, so once you type your page name, then you click on next. Okay, so this is let me just say Giant Graphics School 2. School 2. Next, okay. So it's loading the next page. Now it's going to ask you to select a category for your page. Okay, select category. Okay, so I'm just going to select a category. Sport, website and blog, local business. Let me just select local business. Okay, then I'm going to select a subcategory. Now, if you didn't fill any of these, it won't go. Okay, so let me just choose advert and marketing. Now, let me leave this on. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, and please feel free to make comment on which video you want me to make, like what tutorial you want me to teach you, what lesson, what are you finding difficult in the online space. Please just drop it in the comment section and we are going to make a video around it shortly once it's received. Yes, and thank you for all our previous subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. I bet it with you, this is one of the best online platform where you can learn anything you want to learn in the online space. Yes, thank you very much. Okay, it's actually taking a little time. So you can see that I didn't go through, right? So I have to select a subcategory, okay? Mm, okay, let me just choose something and let's click next. So once it's done loading, the next thing you have to do is, yes, you can see, good. You can add a website. If you don't have a website, just copy the link, a short link to your WhatsApp group or your WhatsApp account directly. That's wa.me/your phone number. Okay. Then you can as well skip this part. Okay. So I'm just going to skip this part. Then I'm going to add a picture, a profile picture. Just click on change picture and to take you to your gallery, you select your picture. And that's actually the final stage, okay? So let me just choose one and click done. You can see that's actually load. Now, once I click next, it's going to open a new Facebook page for me. So since I don't want one, I'm just going to go back and discard everything. So I hope this video is helpful to you and I hope you understand it. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in our comment section and we'll definitely get back to you. Thank you very much.